Hey everyone, Jared here. If you like to keep your bike clean, guess what? You're in the right place, because today we are going to be talking about our Harley-Davidson's Gloss Detailer. Our Gloss Detailer is formulated for use on motorcycles, cars, trucks, and boats alike. This product helps to restore the luster of any vehicle's paint job while providing UV protection between waxes. It's a non-abrasive, quick detailer that can be applied to paint, clear coat, chrome, powder coat, windshields, vinyl, and plastic. That's a lot of surfaces. The 16-ounce spray bottle contains no waxes, silicones, oils, or hydrocarbon solvents and will not remove Glaze Poly Sealant. The Formulated detailer also works great for removing dirt and dust without scratching the finish or marring the surfaces. The biodegradable ingredients make this product safe and effective for all types of vehicles. The Gloss Detailer is an essential part of any care routine as it helps protect your vehicle against sun damage while enhancing its shine and luster with minimal effort. It's ideal for those who want a quick way to boost their Harley-Davidson's appearance while preserving its original condition. Additionally, regular use of this detailing spray helps create a barrier against external contaminants that can cause paint degradation over time. For optimal results, we recommend applying the Gloss Detailer in small sections at a time before buffing off with a clean microfiber cloth or a foam applicator pad for a brilliant shine every time. Just know, you'll want to avoid letting the Gloss Detailer self-dry before wiping off. You can even add a ceramic sealant for added protection and glossiness if desired. So, why wait? Stop by your Harley-Davidson store today and pick up your own bottle of Gloss Detailer. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harley-davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer.